Well, at times you'll have to divide two equations. We've really discussed how to multiply equations before. Like if you had to multiply a linear equation with a, say, quadratic equation, you get a cubic equation. And that's really simple. That's just normal multiplication. But when you have to divide two polynomials, that's where things get a little bit tricky. So if you had to find, if you had to divide a cubic equation with a quadratic equation, you'll basically get a linear equation. Now, how to find that linear equation? Well, that's really where you'll have to use some theorems, and one of them is the remainder theorem. Now, over here, use the remainder theorem to find the remainder when the first polynomial is divided by the second polynomial. Now, this is the first polynomial and this is the second polynomial. So basically, you'll divide this polynomial with this polynomial. Now, what you'll do here is, this is one function of x, and now as x plus 1 is equal to 0, now this is the denominator, you'll put the denominator equal to 0, and then you'll find that the value of x here is equal to minus 1. Since this is a linear equation, there is only one value of x, and that over here is minus 1. Now, put this value of x in this equation. So, now, upon doing that, when you solve all of this, you'll see that you get a value of 5, and that is the remainder of this division that we've done. And so we found the remainder when this first polynomial is divided by this second polynomial, and that is the remainder's theorem.